Salam Merdeka dari kantor PBB Jenewa Swiss, dari kamu delegasi Aceh Sumatera National Liberation Front.
With apologies to you, I call on Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front, ASNLF.
Thank you. I'm honored to speak the representation of Acehese in traditional and social media. Aceh, at the northern tip of Sumatra, carries immense cultural and historical significance. Yet, for decades, the Acehese have faced systemic misrepresentation, marginalization, and neglect. Our narratives of resilience and right are too often overshadowed, disordered, or ignored. Media in Indonesia frequently reduces minorities like Acehese to harmful stereotypes, while social media algorithms amplify disinformation and polarizing rhetoric. Legal instruments like the Indonesian Electronic Information and Transaction Law and provision of the Criminal Code are often weaponized to silence dissent. These laws suppress Acehese activists, journalists, and civil society, erasing our voices from mainstream narratives and denying us the right to define our identity. Despite these challenges, media hold a transformative potential. Platforms that support minority languages and localized storytelling can counter misinformation, foster pride, and amplify underrepresented voices. Grassroots initiatives led by Acehese youth showcase how digital media can connect communities and combat hate speech. However, legal framework must protect, not undermine, freedom of expression. These Acehese deserve narratives that celebrate their culture, recognize their contribution, and acknowledge their struggles. In line with Article 19 of the ICCPR, we call for inclusive, ongoing dialogue among stakeholders to create media environment that uplift every voice and reflect the richness of the global society. Thank you.
Rame urun temanyang baklun, pakan Acehnyo Hana Merdeka Merdeka. Lewat video singkatnya, lun peterang ba urang drone mandum. Sebetulnya urang Aceh carang-pecarang, baka-baka, malim-malim, tega-tega, dan behu-behu. Tapi sayang, siapa yang hana ba urang Aceh? Nak prinsip ngan pendirian. Urang Aceh bacut mantan ibi pangkat le Jawa, peng ti ketep. Bek takun gemedong ke perkara nangrau. Ke perkara nyawang urang cidro ge yang kai kerben le Jawa ketem pahat le. Pe yang lun pegahnya? Fakta kon propaganda. Saboh contoh. Pe yang terjadi tahun 2005. Saboh sejarah yang hanyut tak terima mengenakai sehat. Pakon, urang yang menyerah tahun 2005 nyan urang sajan wali. Urang yang gedidik langsung le wali. Perkara ilmu Aceh Merdeka, ideologi Aceh Merdeka. Nyan kan gepru lam prinyong, gusuleung le wali lam abah. Tapi pakiban cara ruh lam titoken bahasa Jawa kelai. Nyan ke akibat hana prinsip dan pendirian.